Look at Dollar Tree being all bougie. Neon wall lights. Honey, this is $5. They are not playing. Honey, I can't make this stuff up. Okay, I just can't. And these are new. This is my first time seeing these. Child, fancy. Peace, family, peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get that your day, your life is going to get better. Honey, once you think twice. Your day, your life is going to get better. Honey, once you change your perception. Book for today is Psycho-Cybernetics. The way God wants you to show up and the way you've been showing up, honey, listen, okay, it is not the same. It is not the way God wants you to show up. You've been showing up as a failure, as a loser, as a good for nothing. And we're going to need to work on it. Go on and get this book to change your self-image. Everything that you tend to do in life, it all has to do with your self-image. You cannot outrun your self-image, my love. You can work as hard as your pretty heart desire, and you will still get the same exact results because it's all according to how you see yourself. With that being said, let's go inside. Okay, fancies. So today we are at Dollar Tree in Fairview, New Jersey. They got some hot stuff. You see these? These are cute. I like these. Fancy. Now, this jar right here is $1.25. Ooh, child. Not them bringing out the China. Now, I know some of you guys like Dina China. Really? Honey, this is whatever I say it is, okay? All right? But get into these little bowls right here. These are $1.25. I like these. Those are fancy mancy. And then they also have these smaller jars right here, which I absolutely love because you can put cotton balls in here, you can put Q-tips in these, and you could also put cotton swabs. Still deal like Holyfield. They also have they mugs over here. These are $1.25. And then they have the clearance 50% off light up trees. Honey, I don't know what's that about. Well, 50% off, okay. Another item that I absolutely love is these glass bowls with lids. I like these. Really, really nice. Now, Dollar Tree still has this skin foundation from Believe Beauty. This is $1.25. Honey, they have a few of these left. I guess the people wasn't buying it like that. Maybe it's not their skin tone. Now, Dollar Tree has these balloons over here for Mother's Day. They are cute. I like this one. Best mom ever. Really, really nice. And then they also have their gift bags down at the bottom. Really cute. Now, doll faces. If you are looking to be organized, okay, with your schedule, Dollar Tree has these office boards over here. These are $5. Really, really cute. It has the marker and then a little eraser right there. That's planning for the month. Then they also have this to-do list dry erase board. This is $3. And then they also have the weekly planner. Honey, where, am I at Staples or, because that's what it's given. Now, the weekly planner is $5. This is really, really cool. Still there like Holyfield. Now, I always tell you good folks about getting you a notebook and journaling, okay? Honey, you want to make sure you journal. It's either you working towards your goals or somebody else's. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 5-subject notebook, which is $5. It has the dividers in here. Really, really cute. Some other items that Dollar Tree has, like for organizing your office space, Dollar Tree has this storage tray. This is $1.25, and it's one, but honey, that's stuck. They also have this pen holder with the gold trim. Absolutely love the gold trim. Really, really cute. Honey, I'm a goals girl. And then they also have another tray right here that has the rose gold on there as far as the trim. Nice. If you are looking for some memo holders, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They're in a place to be. Marble finish, love it. They also have this rose gold one, and this is cute. Now, other cool items Dollar Tree has, self-adhesive backing allows for versatile placement. Dollar Tree has these LED lights, wireless. These are $5. Really, really cute. Waterproof 2-pack LED light. These are $5 as well. Super bright light, 3-panel foldable LED bulb. These are $5. The Wi-Fi smart bulb. I seen this a lot. Let me know in the comment section if you guys had brought this. Okay, this is $5. So when it comes to your kiddos having fun, look at this, the diving octopus. It's like, oh my goodness, what the heck? These are $3. They also have the bubble blaster 2-piece. This is $1.25. Did I say this was $1.25? Honey, this is $1.25. They also have the outdoor fun bubble storm. This is cute. Watch them swirl. This is $1.25. It comes in different colors. Love it. Fishing game, 6-piece, $1.25. Really, really cute. Oh, look at this. For the sand castles. This is so, so cute. 3 different colors, blue, green, and also pink. Who remember Frisbees back in the day? Honey, Frisbees was the best way. Okay, Frisbees and kites, jump rope. Honey, that's my childhood. Okay, they also have these boomerangs right here. Really, really cute. $1.25. That's right. What you put out, honey, it shall return. They also have these waterboard sling shooters. These are $1.25. 2 pieces. They come in 3 different colors, the green, the red, and also the blue. They also have these little storage baskets right here, which are $1.25. Honey, I ain't taking them out. Not with these. Okay, not with these nails. Now, Dollar Tree also have the sidewalk chalk. Oh my goodness. When I was a kid, we would play this game called Ace, King, Queen, Jack, and we would write, it would have to be 4 squares, and we would have like a ball, and you couldn't let the ball hit the line on the square. So we would take the chalk and we would trace over the squares. Oh my goodness, such an amazing time we had. Many days. Really, really cool. Now, Dollar Tree also have the outdoor fun bubbles. These are $1.25, 3 pieces. I didn't get confused with the 3-piece and the child, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree has these assorted arrangements. These are cute. These are $3 for Mother's Day. Those are nice. They also have some more jars over here that are $1.25 as well. Really, really cool. Now, if you are looking for some cool summer decor, honey, where there's a gnome, there's a Dollar Tree. Look at the gnomes, okay? With the snorkel. Chill, they out here fancy. They also have these flip-flops over here. These are $1.25. More decor for summer. Hello, summer. Good summer vibes. I know that's right. Honey, I'm on the beach at somebody beach right now. Summer chilling. Ooh, child, get into the icy and the ice cream. Really cool. And then they also have these gorgeous, and I do mean gorgeous, these tumblers, these ice trays, these storage containers. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here doing it for you and me. They also have more tumblers, more cups, trays, whatever you want, honey, they have. Okay, for your fancy little heart. Dish drying mats. They also have these right here. These are so cute, these tumblers. I absolutely love the watermelon one. Cute, really cute. They also have the 3-piece necklaces for $1.25 as well. Okay, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Mine's definitely was that light up the wall decor, light up with the flamingo and the ice cream. Really, really cool. Absolutely love it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.